So if I have a kitchen and bathroom renovation company and I want a consistent flow of inquiries, what do you recommend?
So with regards to renovations of kitchens and bathrooms, a lot of the time people don't need to renovate it. It's just the choosing to try and upgrade or improve aesthetically how it looks. It's not like the cupboards are falling down and they've waited that long. So because it is very aesthetic and they're looking at like the visuals and they're going, that kitchen looks really nice, or I really want a new bathroom. It's not that they need it, it's that they want it. Yeah. So because of that, I think social media does a massive play in this. And I think Facebook ads and meta ads like Instagram ads, even YouTube ads can work really, really well because you can show the before and the after. If someone can resonate with that before and after and go, mine looks like their before picture and this after picture looks amazing, at that point they're saying, I want that. Yeah. So they might not physically be going out searching. Some might be searching as well, but a lot of people are looking at the visuals of before and afters. And I think the images and the videos of what business owners can get that are running a kitchen or bathroom renovation company is key, in my opinion. So social media would be something I would certainly be looking at scaling out, and Facebook ads or social media ads would be something. What's your thoughts on using a lead generation company to generate your kitchen and bathroom renovation leads?
Yeah, definitely. So I think that's one of the biggest plays that I would be doing. So going out to 2 or 3 different lead generation companies. Obviously, you do have Fat Rank where we generate you leads and you don't need to pay a single penny until you've actually converted that lead into a paying customer. So I think that if you want to do lead generation, go for that. Fill out the form down below. The link will be there. One thing that I will say is that we don't actually take on everybody. So we want to make certain that you're the right fit. We are performance based. So again, unlike other lead generation companies, we need to make certain that the company that we're partnering up with, they've got like a good reputation online. They don't have like loads of 2-star reviews because it's ultimately just not going to work for us. Whereas if you think you tick all the boxes, fill in the form and see if we actually do deal with you, then you've obviously got other lead generation companies. So you've got Bark, you've got Check a Trade. What I would recommend doing is setting up KPIs. That's the ultimate goal here. You want to make certain that if you're spending X amount, you're getting an actual profit on your actual investment. But away from lead generation, what do you think to SEO?
So you mentioned there, head on over to fatrank.com to fill in the form to see whether you qualify. But in that, you mentioned we check to see whether they qualify. And one of the biggest parts of what we're checking is their SEO. Yeah. So it's not just about SEO for generating leads for them to look to grow their bathroom and renovation company. It's also there for brand reputation management. How good do they look online? Have they got a positive sentiment? If 2 companies are side by side, they're looking to renovate your kitchen and they're both similar on price, and they start to Google James Dooley's kitchen renovation and Kazra's kitchen renovation, who are they going to choose because they're similar on price? The one with the most testimonials that have got more 5-star reviews, the ones that have got the case studies that say, I really like those jobs, they look higher quality. So James Dooley's kitchen renovations look higher quality than Kazra's, right? They're checking that online, and that's where SEO and search engine optimization is a major play, not just for generating leads, it's a long-term investment for you to look good online. So 100%, I would be saying spend some money to improve. Within the search engine optimization industry, they call it EEAT. Look to kind of improve upon those trust signals online, not just for Google algorithms, but for users. Yeah. So, and then you can generate SEO kind of leads. And the holy grail of any successful business that's looking to grow a kitchen and renovation company, should be to generate some of your own leads in-house. So yes, SEO, in my opinion, is a major play. Is there anything else that you'd be looking to do, or is that for me, the major play is teaming up with 2 or 3 lead generation companies, definitely trying out fatrank.com because it's performance-based. It's a no-brainer if you are accepted, and doing the SEO. Yeah. The other things like paid ads could work. The issue is, can become very, very expensive.
I think that the emphasis on SEO isn't enough in this video, because if you think of it, right, SEO is not just ranking your website higher, it's also ranking your images higher. And in this space, a lot of people, they'll flick over to the images tab and then they'll search, I don't know, blue kitchens. And if you're not ranking for blue kitchens, but your competitors are, and they look through like all the images and they're like, that's the kitchen that I want.
Yeah.
They'll go with your competitor. So try and rank your images also.
Yeah. On that, when you say, like, let's say kitchen designs or kitchen ideas, bathroom ideas or bathroom designs, they won't even need to click through to the image tab. I can guarantee you now, if anyone's watching this and you go and type in kitchen designs, loads of images show up at the top of just Google normal web search, because Google understand that the user is looking aesthetically at images and pictures. It's the same then with videos as well, of what they might be looking for. They might then go and click through to the Google video tab or search in YouTube, which is the second largest search engine there is out there. Yeah. So yes, I mean, search engine optimization is a lot more than what just meets the eye of, oh, I build some content and build some links and that'll be good enough. I'll try and rank for my company name. No, it's trying to rank for a lot of different words. In this scenario, it's trying to rank a lot of media as well as the web pages. Yeah. And it's the brand reputation management side. You might be difference between you winning and losing a £40,000, £50,000 job, literally just because of your branding online is just not up to key. And some people don't understand that, and they're just looking at impressions and traffic and not realizing there's so much more to SEO than that. Mm-hmm. But for me, probably the number one major play, because it is a long term. You've got to remember, if someone's watching this is a business owner now of a kitchen renovation company or a bathroom renovation company, and they could be sat there going, yeah, but I've tried SEO. I've gone to 5 or 6 different SEO agencies. They've not built anything online that's any sort of trust. They've not improved any impressions and traffic. It is a long-term investment for them to be doing it. So short-term, making certain they're teaming up with the right lead generation company, in my opinion, would be the major play in this.
Yeah, definitely. Obviously, the link is down below. So if you guys do want to apply, head over to fatrank.com/contact or click the link down below and we will get back to you.